Welcome back to the Tell Me More Now channel. The best foods for nourishing dry skin. In this video, we will look at ways of clearing up dry skin naturally. If you struggle with dry, flaky skin and are looking for tips and tricks to help you achieve smoother, more hydrated skin, then you've come to the right place. Dry skin can lead to various skin problems, including itching and irritation, redness and inflammation, flakiness and rough texture, increased risk of skin infections, premature aging and wrinkles. Here's a list of 20 foods that can help alleviate dry skin. By including a variety of these foods in your diet, you can help to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Subscribe to be notified of new videos on health and wellness. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamins to hydrate skin. Fatty fish, high in omega-3 fatty acids to improve skin's moisture levels. Sweet potatoes, contain vitamin A to boost skin health. Nuts and seeds, provide essential fatty acids for skin's barrier function. Tomatoes, rich in vitamin C and lycopene for skin hydration and protection. Olive oil, moisturizing and nourishing for dry skin. Water, hydrates the skin from within. Aloe vera, soothes and moisturizes dry skin. Green tea, contains antioxidants to protect skin from damage. Yogurt, contains lactic acid to exfoliate and hydrate skin. Coconut oil, moisturizes and softens dry skin. Mangoes, high in vitamins A and C for skin hydration. Leafy greens, contain vitamin A, C and E for skin nourishment. Oranges, rich in vitamin C to improve skin hydration and texture. Papayas, contain enzymes to exfoliate and hydrate skin. Berries, high in antioxidants to protect skin from damage. Honey, antibacterial and moisturizing properties for dry skin. Pumpkins, rich in vitamin A and C for skin health and hydration. Carrots, contain vitamin A for skin nourishment. Eggs, rich in fatty acids and vitamins for skin hydration and health. This can improve skin's overall health, texture, and appearance. Proper hydration also helps to prevent skin from becoming overly dry and itchy, reducing the risk of irritation and inflammation. Keeping skin moist helps to maintain its natural barrier function, preventing water loss and keeping skin hydrated. The other things to do to prevent dry skin. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to hydrate skin from within. 2. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can strip skin of its natural oils. 3. Use gentle skincare products. Avoid harsh ingredients that can dry out skin. 4. Apply moisturizer daily. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. 5. Limit exposure to the sun. Use sunscreen to protect skin from UV damage. 6. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Both can dehydrate skin. 7. Use a humidifier, especially in dry climates or during winter months. 8. Exfoliate regularly. Remove dead skin cells to reveal brighter, hydrated skin. 9. Avoid skin irritants, such as fragrances, alcohol, and harsh chemicals. 10. Eat a balanced diet, including foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. 11. Wear gloves in cold weather, to protect skin from harsh winds. 12. Use a gentle soap. Choose a soap that is free from harsh ingredients. 13. Apply petroleum jelly or other occlusive agents after showering to lock in moisture. 14. Keep skin covered. Wear clothing that protects skin from the elements, especially in cold weather. 15. Practice good skincare habits, such as cleaning your skin regularly and avoiding picking or scratching dry skin. 16. Limit or avoid alcohol and smoking, as both can contribute to dry skin. 17. Avoid excessive use of hot styling tools, such as blow dryers and flat irons, which can dry out skin. 18. Seek medical attention if you have persistent dry skin, as it may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. By following these simple tips, you can say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a smooth, hydrated complexion. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful information.